Hello, today we will guide you through how to restart an ended campaign in Google Ads. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you're on the overview page for the account you want to work in. This is your starting point, and from here you can navigate to the campaign area where all of your existing and past campaigns are listed. Once you're on the overview screen, look to the left-hand side of the page and click Campaigns. This will open the main navigation for campaign management. In some layouts, you may see campaigns appear again in a drop-down menu. If that happens, simply click Campaigns one more time to go into the full campaigns list. On this page, you'll see a list of the campaigns in your account. Take a moment to find the ended campaign you want to restart. Since ended campaigns can't always be reactivated directly, the process here is to copy the old campaign and create a new version from it. This helps preserve the original setup while giving you a fresh campaign you can run again. After you've located the correct campaign, select it. When the campaign is selected, a blue action bar should appear. In that blue bar, click Edit. This opens a menu of actions you can take on the selected campaign. From the Edit options, choose Copy. This copies the campaign settings so you can paste them as a new campaign. It's a useful way to restart a completed campaign without rebuilding everything from scratch, especially if the targeting, ads, and structure are already set the way you want. After clicking Copy, close the blue bar by selecting the Close button on the right side. Then look for the Paste button and click it. This will begin the process of creating the copied version of your ended campaign. At this stage, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Google Ads may ask you to confirm details about where the copied campaign should go or how it should be pasted. Review the options shown on your screen and continue through the setup as prompted. Once you've completed those on-screen steps, click Paste to finish. Google Ads will then create a new campaign based on the ended one you copied. After that, you should have a restarted version of your previous campaign available in your campaigns list. It's always a good idea to quickly review the new campaign afterward to make sure settings like budget, dates, and status match what you need before launching or resuming activity. That's it. You've successfully restarted an ended campaign in Google Ads by copying and pasting it into a new campaign.